NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence. In this lesson, we will solve a system of two linear equations using the equalization method. We will show every algebra step clearly and keep track of both x and y. Here is our example. We are given the system x minus y equals 1 and 2x plus 3 y equals 2. Our goal is to express y from each equation. Set those expressions equal, solve for x, and then substitute back for y. Step 1. From the first equation, isolate y. Starting with x minus y equals 1, add negative x to both sides and multiply by negative 1, or simply move terms to get y equals x minus 1. Step 2. From the second equation, isolate y again. 2x plus 3, y equals 2. Subtract 2x from both sides to get 3, y equals 2 minus 2x. Now divide both sides by 3 to get y equals the quantity 2 minus 2x, all over 3. Step 3. Equalize the two expressions for y. Set x minus 1 equal to the fraction 2 minus 2x over 3. Multiply both sides by 3 to clear the denominator. Expand and simplify to solve for x. We get 5x equals 5, so x equals 1. Step 4. Substitute x equals 1 back into y equals x minus 1. That gives y equals 1 minus 1, which is 0. Quick check. Plug x equals 1 and y equals 0 into both original equations. First equation, 1 minus 0 equals 1, true. Second equation, 2 times 1 plus 3 times 0 equals 2, also true. Therefore, the solution to the system is the ordered pair open parenthesis 1, 0 close parenthesis. Example. We will solve a classic stamp value problem using the equalization method. We are told there are 90 stamps in total worth $13.50. The stamps come in two denominations, 5 cents and 20 cents. How many of each type are there? Let's build an intuitive picture. On the left, a 5-cent stamp. On the right, a 20-cent stamp. We will color code them and keep them on screen as our legend. Define the variables. Let x be the number of 5-cent stamps and y be the number of 20-cent stamps. From the count of stamps, x plus y equals 90. From the total value in cents, 5x plus 20y equals 1,350. These two equations capture the entire problem. To make the arithmetic simpler, divide the value equation by 5. That gives x plus 4, y equals 270. Now use the equalization method. Solve the first equation for x equals 90 minus y. Solve the simplified equation for x equals 270 minus 4y. Because both expressions equal x, set them equal to each other. Add 4y to both sides to collect y terms, and subtract 90 from both sides to collect numbers. We get 3y equals 180, so y equals 60 20-cent stamps. Substitute y equals 60 into x equals 90 minus y. That gives x equals 35-cent stamps. Check. 5 times 30 plus 20 times 60 equals 1,350 cents. The numbers work perfectly. Final answer. 35-cent stamps and 60 20-cent stamps. Notice how the equalization method turned the word story into two neat equations and then into a single unknown. Recap. 1. Translate the story to two equations. 2. Simplify where possible. 3. Equalize the same variable and solve. 4. Substitute back and verify the total value. Try creating your own pair of equations for different denominations and totals. In this example, we will solve a rectangle word problem using the equalization method. First, here is the system that comes from the problem statement. Let's visualize the situation. This rectangle has horizontal length x and vertical width y. The perimeter is 2 times the sum of length and width, which equals 320. We are also told that 2 times the length equals 3 times the width. Now we rewrite the system in a simple linear form. 2x equals 3, y becomes 2x minus 3, y equals 0. And 2 times x plus y equals 320 expands to 2x plus 2, y equals 320. We will use the equalization method. From the first equation, isolate y equals 2x over 3. From the second equation, move 2x to the other side and divide by 2. Y equals the quantity 320 minus 2x, all over 2, which is 160 minus x. Because both expressions equal y, set them equal. 2x over 3 equals 160 minus x. Add x to both sides to get 2x over 3 plus x equals 160. Combine like terms to get 5x over 3 equals 160. Multiply both sides by 3/5, giving x equals 96. Substitute x equals 96 back into y equals 2x over 3. That gives y equals 2 times 96 divided by 3, which is 64. Always verify your solution. 2 times the sum of x and y equals 2 times the sum of 96 and 64, which is 320. The values satisfy both equations. Therefore, the rectangle has length 96 meters and width 64 meters. Here is the final boxed result. Example: we will solve a system of equations using the equalization method. This comes from a money word problem about Mary and Alex. To visualize, put Mary on the left and Alex on the right. Mary spends 1/3 of her money. Alex spends 1/6 of his. Mary's remaining money equals 2 times Alex's remaining money. Step 1. Translate the story to equations. Let x be Mary's money and y be Alex's money. Together, x plus y equals 10,500. After spending, Mary's remaining is 2/3 x, Alex's remaining is 5/6 y. The statement says Mary's remaining equals 2 times Alex's remaining. Step 2. Simplify each side. X minus 1/3 x is 2/3 x. Y minus 1/6 y is 5/6 y. So we get 2/3 x equals 2 times 5/6 y. Step 3. Clear denominators to get a clean linear equation. Multiply both sides appropriately and simplify to 2x minus 5 y equals 0. Step 4. Use the equalization method. From 2x minus 5 y equals 0, we get 2x equals 5y, so x equals 5/2 y. From the first equation, x equals 10,500 minus y. Set them equal to solve for y. Step 5. Solve the linear equation for y. Move terms and isolate y. We get 7/2 y equals 10,500, so y equals 3,000. Step 6. Substitute back to find x. X equals 5/2 times 3,000, which is 7,500. Quick check. Do these satisfy the total? 7,500 plus 3,000 gives 10,500. The amounts are consistent with the story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math lessons. NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence.